In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off draft mode in Sprout Social. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, which is perfect for those of you looking to streamline your workflow and get those posts ready for scheduling. So, let's dive right into the steps to accomplish this. First things first, you will need to open your preferred web browser. This can be any browser you're comfortable with, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Once your browser is open, you're going to want to search for Sprout Social. Simply type Sprout Social into your search engine, and it should be one of the top results that pops up. This will bring you to Sprout Social's website, where you can either sign in or sign up if you don't already have an account. If you're signing up for the first time, just follow the prompts to set up your account. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged into Sprout Social, the next step is to navigate to the Publishing section. You can do this by looking for the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Click on Publishing and then go to Drafts, or alternatively, you can choose to compose a new post. Here's where the key part of our task begins. If you're in the Drafts section or composing a new post, look just under the character count displayed for your post. You'll notice a toggle switch here which, by default, says, "This is a draft." This toggle allows you to switch between draft mode and preparing your post for scheduling. Click on this toggle switch to turn off draft mode. You'll see an immediate change. The label will change, indicating that the post is no longer a draft. Additionally, you'll notice that the Save button at the bottom will change to Schedule. This update signals that your post is now ready to be queued or scheduled for publication at a future date and time. And just like that, you've successfully turned off draft mode for your post in Sprout Social. This allows you more flexibility in your social media management, ensuring that your posts are ready to go live when you want them to. Remember, turning off draft mode is crucial before scheduling or posting to ensure your content is polished and set to engage your audience. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can confidently navigate through Sprout Social and manage your content efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like and comment if you have any questions or thoughts to share. Happy posting!